friends, welcome to our channel Life is Worth Living. I hope this video will find you in good health. Today we are here with a short video on Durga Puja celebration in Kolkata. Please watch till the end and let us know how did you find the video in the comment section. Also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Being a Bengali and being away from Kolkata for 2 long years made me realize how badly I missed Durga Puja in Kolkata. This year I was quite fortunate to be present here in Kolkata, so thought of making a video for those friends who are not here but their heart is here. Durga Puja is basically a major festival for Bengalis, traditionally held for 10 days in the month of Ashwin, the 7th month of Bengali calendar. Though it's a 10 days festival, but the actual celebration starts on Shashti, that is the 6th day. This festival celebrates the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura. We'll also look into the short mythological facts of Durga Puja in this video. But first we'll cover the enjoyment and excitement of Durga Puja. So please stay tuned with me. Thank you. Kolkata Durga Puja is basically a theme-based Durga Puja where the pandals and idols represent an idea or a story from past or present or an imagination of future as well. So people go for pandal hopping overnight. So let's have a glimpse of Durga Pujas here. So this pandal is very special because it's celebrated by the red light area people with a collaboration with our Kolkata friends. There are few pujas apart from theme-based pujas as well. One of this is Bagbajar Durga Puja. This is with a very old Shaviki Puja in Kolkata. And though it has crossed many years, but it has not lost its glory. So now we'll meet few pandal hoppers.
So how is this post-pandemic puja for you?
Actually this is kind of so-so because earlier I used to go and hop all the pandals, but nowadays because of the corona situation, the pandemic situation, I was not able to visit all the pandals. So I will describe it as so-so.
Okay, so compared to 2020 puja, if I say that how was Shashti, Saptami and today's Navami, so how things are going on compared to the 2020? Okay. So how many pandals you visited today?
Actually I didn't have count yet. I just basically roaming around with my friends, hopping some pandals. Whenever I see there is a crowded situation, I just avoid it.
So you are not gorging on your favorite foods like street foods, chow mein and all? Yes.
But I didn't obviously count how many times I go to the street foods.
Okay, so may I know your name? I forgot to ask you.
My name is Shomudi Garachowdhury.
Okay, thank you Shomudi.
हाल कोइरा বাজান গো দোতারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে তালে কইরা বাজান গো দোতারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে সুন্দরী কমলা সুন্দরী কমলা চরণে নূপুর চিনি চিনি কইরা বাজে রে তালে কইরা বাজান গো দোতারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে তালে কইরা বাজান গো দোতারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে
What's your name?
My name is Sharnendu Datta.
So Sharnendu, why are you here? Are you waiting for somebody?
No, I'm not waiting for somebody. I'm here with my group of friends.
Okay.
And I'm just out for the pendle hopping.
Okay, I see the breeze is very nice here. So I thought you are with your girlfriend enjoying
No, I
here.
don't have one.
Okay, so I think Bagbazar Pujo is very nearby, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, sure.
So can you please describe a bit?
Yeah, it's one of the oldest puja in North Kolkata. So it's had its own tradition and all these things. So I like this very much. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. Hey, hi, what's your name?
My name is Shweta.
So what are you doing over here? Miss, can you please tell me what
I'm
locality it is?
waiting for my friends. They have gone to find a place to eat. We cannot find anywhere because it's really crowded and people are out to candle hop or something. I don't know. I'm not quite sure right now.
Okay, so you are waiting for having dinner, right? So you are not getting any place. It is crowded, it seems. Okay, so then what's the next plan you are taking?
I don't know. We'll see if everybody comes. We are waiting for everybody. So they have gone to different places to find a place. But now currently we are waiting. Now then we will decide if we'll eat anything or we'll just go home and rest, I guess.
So how was the day overall? Where did you go today?
I don't like actually panel hopping, so I went to a mall and I enjoyed it there. I had an adda with my friends and we gossiped for a long time. We ate lunch somewhere and that's all. And then I met another group of friends and we went to few of the pandals and now we are waiting.
Okay, thank you so much, Sweta.
The famous hotel during Durga Puja is quite crowded. I can see huge queue, and the food quality also degrades during this time. But somehow we got chance to eat in Pakicha, and the food quality was also good.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Shivali Roy.
Okay, so I see you are doing Sidur Khela, right? This is a ritual in Durga Puja, Bijoya Dashami, right?
Yeah.
So could you please explain a bit about it?
So actually every year we celebrate Durga Puja. It's, as you know, it's a main festival of Bengali. So and this is actually saying a big goodbye to Ma Durga. We actually do it's called the Baran ceremony. We say a goodbye with tears in our eyes, and we do the Shiru Khela and say goodbye to Ma, because every year she comes, and we enjoy a lot during this festival.
So everybody gets very gloomy in this.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah, I
And
understand.
when she leaves the place, our eyes gets filled with tears and everything, and we enjoy a lot here during this puja vacation and everything.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
So as promised, I'll also cover the mythological facts of Durga Puja in short, so which is equally interesting as the festival. What I heard is Mahishasur was a king with head of buffalo. He was a devoted worshipper of Lord Brahma. After years of worship by Mahishasur, Brahma was finally pleased and offered him a wish. Mahishasur demanded immortality. His wish was that he should not be killed by a man or animal. Brahma granted him this wish, but also told him that a woman will be the end of him. Out of pride of power, Mahishasur believed that there is no woman in the world who can kill him and attack Trilok and try at capturing Indralok. Gods decided to attack and kill him, but due to Lord Brahma's boon, nobody could defeat him. The gods thus approached Lord Vishnu for help. After considering the situation, Lord Vishnu decided to create a female form to defeat Mahishasur. But since Lord Shiva is the god of destruction, they consulted with him. Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva combined all their powers together to give birth to Durga. Goddess Durga then fought Mahishasur over a period of 15 days, during which he kept changing his shape to become different animals and misled her. Finally, when he transformed into a buffalo, Goddess Durga stabbed him with her trident, and that was the end of him. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.